The developments in the Franklin Templeton case have got more curious and more sinister. Under the aegis of a group of people together calling themselves the Chennai Financial Markets Accountability, have filed a case with the Economic Offences Wing in Chennai, asking the police to register a case against Franklin Templeton, its chief investment officer Santosh Kamath and others. The claim is that the AMC willfully cheated the mutual fund owners of money. Let's take a look. Welcome back to Berich. The Franklin Templeton suit of debt funds has been in trouble for some time. They took some big bets which have turned bad. Basically, they parked their money in long-term debt when they were supposed to park it in short-term debt. Even in low-duration funds, they have taken big risks. So basically, this has been going on for a long time. Investors were very happy and poured money into the Franklin Templeton fund as long as the going was good. But continuous seismic shocks to the industry from the time of the ILFS debacle and right now up to the COVID pandemic has meant that the lending made by Franklin Templeton funds would invariably turn bad. 3 months before the funds were shuttered, there were massive redemptions. These redemptions forced the fund to shut down and shutter. These funds had borrowed money to meet redemption requests. Several things that went wrong with the fund. Short-term funds had made long-term commitments, hoping for more and more money to come in and redemption to be met. Also, the fund had invested in liquid assets. Also, in 26 cases, the fund was the only lender to the corporate entity. All these red flags were raised by the Chennai Financial Market Accountability Group, which have filed the case. This is a case of bad judgment, and this bad judgment has been continuing for a long period. SEBI was sleeping at the wheel, distributors were sleeping at the wheel, investors were sleeping at the wheel because returns was good. The moment returns turned bad, then everybody is crying horse and now want Franklin Templeton to pay the money. Yes, Franklin Templeton made a mistake. Asking SEBI to take action and recovering money is their due. But to call a fund manager a crook and a cheat and file an FIR against him and file criminal charges will mean that no fund manager worth his salt will take any risk or will get into any fund management. The other action of filing a class action suit in US is also welcome. Any civil dispute needs to be resolved in a court of law by process of law. Trying to file a criminal FIR against a fund manager is trying to twist his arm to get some money from the company. This needs to be quashed, otherwise the entire industry will soon get into trouble because no fund manager can get all his decisions right. And the way SEBI has framed the rules, every fund manager would have broken some law at some time or the other. If you convert a civil case into a criminal case, you are signing the death warrant for the mutual fund industry. The mutual fund industry has been developed with great difficulty over 25 years. Just because one AMC made a mistake in a suit of funds, you cannot throw the baby with the bathwater and hope for things to be better. Thank you for watching Berich. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. If you use Kindle, you can buy the book using the Kindle link given below. If you want a hard copy, send a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would get in touch with you. At the very end, if you want to get in touch with me, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. I am grateful for your support of Berich.